Okay, what I have here, what I want to do a short video of is this, it is a JVC combo VCR DVD recorder. This was out of the recycle bin, and the reason I like this is because it is a DVD recorder, a -R recorder, which is kind of passe in this day and age with AVI videos and flash and all that, but I still like to record off air with my own DVR with a hard drive if possible. But this is a standalone DVD recorder VCR combo, and it's a JVC unit, but what they've gone ahead and done, this company US Sports Video here, has modified it with this, looks like an external remote control, judging by where the wires they added go, and it goes right there to the control panel with a photodiode. So it's probably just got some kind of IR sensor. I haven't tested the VCR portion yet. What I've started playing with here is, of course, like every DVD recorder, they don't work anymore. This unit is about 10 years old, and it ceased to function. Upon first examination, the motor I noticed was seized up. This is the original drive here. When I opened it up, what appeared to be was just a normal CD-ROM out of a computer type drive, but not necessarily, because there have been some changes. I first tried swapping the motors, but of course, unless they're completely identical, they're not a good match. So I did take the hub off one and put it on the defective, because the bearing in here was shot, and I still got disc read errors. So what I went and did was I researched, and I got the model number of the drive. This is a GDA 4120B that was in the unit, and of course you can't find this drive anywhere. The closest I could find, and I've probably thrown away more of these in the past, but I actually bought this off eBay. This is a GRA 4120B. Initially, to get the same motor, I wanted the 4120B. Different prefix, but hopefully similar enough in design that I can use some parts out of it. Well, what I had to do, this is a DVD ROM out of an old Dell computer, obviously, and it burns to the plus RWs according to the door on it. But the one in the unit is DVD RAM, DVD-RW, and -R. So in order to make this thing work, what I had to do was I removed the original board, because there's firmware on this and whatnot. So I transferred the board from the factory unit into the Dell DVD ROM, and I just exchanged the chassis, put my board with my firmware in place of this one, and as you can see, it's functioning as it should. It will read blank discs, and it will also read regular stamped DVDs. So right now I have a DVD-R homemade one in there. And what else do I want to add? I did notice the cable was torn. It could have been from me, the 40-pin flat cable, so I've had to put in a little short stubby one for now, just for test purposes. So I've ordered another cable. I should be able to put this back together with the original drive face and whatnot, and I should have a spare VCR DVD recorder. But again, you have to change the board out with the unit, because they're custom designed for each model. So the mechanics of the drive were used to the mechanics of the Dell drive were used to get the JVC recorder in operating condition again. Thanks for watching.